Not everyone can afford a dress, but thanks to Hope Closet in Royal Oak, students in need will be able to attend their once-in-a-lifetime event, and there are 5,000 free dresses to choose from. And yesterday, you see here some high school seniors from Covenant Academies got their chance to shop for their prom dresses. Hope Closet also has shoes and jewelry. Students can also shop for free until Saturday. Appointments are required, and students must show a valid school ID.
And hey, we want to know what you wore to your prom.